Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question. This is a plain geometry, question 31 of WASSCE 2024 September edition for Ghanaian. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I will indulge you to subscribe for more exciting videos such as this. All right, now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a pentagon having 5 sides. Now, if you check, all the angles are at the exterior part. These are all exterior angles to this pentagon. Now, how do we find the sum of the exterior angle of a pentagon? Or better still, of a polygon? Every polygon, their exterior angle add up to what? 360. Is equals to what? 360 degrees. No matter what the polygon is, if you add all the exterior angle, you get 360, meaning your 2x plus x plus 10, which is here, then 4x plus 50 plus the 20 degrees plus 3x also sum up to give us what? 360, right? So the left side is made up of variables and constants. So we can add a variable. 2x plus 1x, that will be 3 of the x. Plus 4, that will be 7 of the x. Plus 3, that will give us 10 of the x. Then 10 plus 50, that will have been 60. Plus 20, that will give us 80. So plus 80 equals to 360 degrees. So let's group the like terms here and have 10x equals to 360. We are subtracting the 80 from both sides, so 80 degrees. So let's make that. These are all in degrees, so that it will not be like 360 degrees minus 30 minus 80, which become two different units. All right. Now, when you take away 60, you'll be left with 20 here. That will make it 280, right? So 10x equals to 280. Divide by 10, so 10x divided by 10, 280 divided by 10, x will give us what? 28. So the value of x will be 28. So the value of x is going to be 28. If we add it to the 10 here, we get a degree. So we can leave it as 28, as that to be the option D as the preferred choice. I guess this is also clear. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Like this video and leave a comment.